People talk about capability. We build it. At Thermwood, the work stays in-house. It's all carried out by Thermwood professionals who know the machines down to the last decision. That's not a slogan. It's a system's choice. When one team owns the full stack, the results get sharper. Quality becomes repeatable. Problems get solved at the root. Support stays competent for the life of the machine because the people answering the phone are tied to the process that created it. That same standard follows us everywhere. JEC World 2026 is no exception. It's a reflection. This show gets planned, packed, shipped, flown, assembled, wired, leveled, and commissioned by the same professionals that build and support the machines every day. The details matter because the details are the product. And what you see on the floor isn't a display. It's proof of how we operate. We keep the entire process in-house because accountability is a feature.
He's afraid of that.
Well, we need a sledgehammer. We need to beat that thing to the side. So, trying to pack this stuff up for Paris. Shipment's got to leave early, like 3 weeks early. So we weren't even planning for it. Now, what we've got here is we need to get all of this prepped and ready to go in a container to go on the boat to cross the pond. So we have all this, and then we have this. So, as you can see, this had to be put on a 45-degree fixture of sorts so that it will fit inside of a container. Right now, we're in Dale, Indiana. It's 5:34 p.m. Currently 42 degrees outside and we got snow, but I'm sweating like no other. Did you get it?
Got it. It's a Christmas miracle.
We made it. Paris, France, one of the most historic cities on Earth. And for the next few days, one of the most important places for advanced composites and manufacturing. And just steps from here, surrounded by old stone, iron, and centuries of craftsmanship. We're getting ready to bring something built the Thermwood way to the middle of it all. Now, hopefully all the equipment that we packed, prepped, and shipped halfway across the world made it here in one piece. When you send this much hardware, tooling, and show gear across an ocean, you don't exactly leave much to chance. But knowing us, I'm sure it's fine. Now let me show you exactly where Thermwood's making noise at JEC World 2026. Just outside the heart of Paris, where the global composites industry comes together to see what's next. JEC is being held at Paris Nord Villepont. Our booth is located in Hall 6, right here, in the US Pavilion, booth 6P32. And from there, follow us over to the live demo area where LSAM product manager Scott Ball will be leading a live print of this year's additive innovation project while also speaking on the technology that makes it possible. But that's not it. Just a short distance away, the story continues here at the Innovation Planet, where the finished blended wing drone will be on display, built from a mold produced with Thermwood LSAM. This is where the result comes full circle. Not just a machine, not just a print, a real manufacturing process that helped transform how the body of this drone was brought to life. So from the booth, to the live demo, to the final innovation on display, Thermwood is woven through the entire experience.